baby has arrived. 63SS. What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be replacing this master cylinder. It looks terrible. So first thing you want to do is turn off, disconnect the battery, the negative side of the battery. And then we're going to work on taking this out of the car. You're going to need to have a good set of nut wrenches. I went with standard flare nut wrench set. I'm pretty sure we're only going to use a small one, but just in case, I went ahead and bought the whole set. You never know, especially if you start working on your car, you never know what you're going to need in the future. So I suggest you always just, if you can afford it, buy the set. If not, then obviously buy the individual, but you'll save a lot more money in the long run buying sets of tools you'll need. So there we go. All right, YouTube, so I'm back. I took off the cap. I removed the brake line with I believe it was a 7/16 nut wrench. That came right off. You can see my tools. I just wanted to take out the brake fluid before I took off the whole master cylinder to prevent any spillage. As you can see, my tools of use are medicine caps and syringes. And no, I will not be using them again. This is a new master cylinder. It doesn't look the same as the other one, but sorry, it's a mosquito trying to get me. But it'll do the job the same. The only one I have to worry about is this, where the yellow piece is. That goes, the fluid brake line goes right in, and super easy. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So here you go. Under there, you need to loosen up 2 bolts, and the size is 9/16. So it's that one, and the one right there. Let me see. There it is. Boom. Loosen those up, and it should come right off. All right, bro. So here it is. I'm about to take the master cylinder off. The bolts are out, and it should just be a nice little squeeze. Boom. There's the old one. Out with the old, and with the new. Make sure it gets all out. So here's the new one. I'll grab it with different, but there you go. It's that simple. What you want to do is grab some kind of brush and clean that up real quick, just to make sure everything's clean. You have a clean surface to work with. And there you go. You just put on the new one like you took the old one out. Easy day. If you have any questions, please let me know. So after of about 3 hours of, no, not even 3 hours, like 30 minutes to do the brake master cylinder, I found out that 2 of my brake lines that connect to the calipers, down, are broken off. So I need to get a whole new brake system. So this video is not going to be done today. Yep. You want a classic car? Classic car problems.